It's one of the biggest studios I've ever seen. This side will become an overshop. So we have a little corridor coming upstairs. So the trading floor was downstairs and this was their office. We're gonna smash all these down, stud walls. There's another room here. Okay? Hey guys, welcome to this project. We just secured a mixed use property, a gigantic property, absolutely gigantic. I'm gonna walk you through what I propose to do in this property. Come on in. So as you walk in here, you get greeted with this massive place, okay? A mixed-use commercial bank. It used to be a bank on the ground floor here. And what we intend to do, let me just walk you through. We want to divide it into two. This is the main entrance. We want to bring a wall going on this way, right? So then we divide this side of the building to become one commercial unit. We'll have the entrance, the window, the entrance of that commercial unit in here. We're gonna open this up this way, right? This stud wall would go, right? And then this then becomes that entrance. Okay, walking this way, all this bit here, all this here becomes part of the unit, okay? It's gonna become part of the unit. Moving on. And once we've done that, okay, we will use this space as well. There's another spare space in here. This space could be another office for this building, or they could do whatever they want to do here, storage, whatever they want to use this place for. It is at their disposal. It's very massive. And walking back, they have another massive area here, right? Big area. You can see how massive this area is. Walking this way, they have another office room in here. And they can use this as an office. They can use it with whatever they want to use. So basically, this place here is big. It lends itself to so many businesses, supermarket, takeaway, and DIY shop, for example. Maybe even a supermarket. Maybe, who knows? Maybe Tesco's, Domino's. Papa John is just next door. Maybe Domino's would want to take this shop. Who knows? And then obviously you've got this part here as well. You can see that we've got our architect doing his own thing, right? So beautiful. So and then we're gonna walk upstairs now to show you. Not upstairs. I'm gonna show you the other part of the shop itself. Other part of the shop that we want to divide into two. Okay. So if you remember, we're gonna have the wall going here. I know it doesn't make sense to you right now because you don't know how it looks like, but this side, it will become an overshop. So all this part here would be another good size shop, not massive compared to what we've just gone through there, but it's gonna be a big shop, okay? Walking on this way, we're gonna take this stud wall out so we can open this up slightly to get more room. And then here, we can have the toilet or the utility area, whatever we want to use it for this shop. And there's a beauty thing about here, basically. This can be a laundrette, for example, because we've looked at the area. There's no laundrette in the area. Anybody who's very clever and very smart could use this place as a laundrette. And the beauty about it is lend itself because it's right bang outside of the high street. So it's very, very good for you to consider that if you're doing that. So walking down now, because it's a former bank, right, we have this basement, right? We have all the vaults down here, okay? So walking down, carefully stairs, right? We have the vault down here, right? We have the first vault. You can see how massive that is. Whoa, that is solid. Moving that is gonna be a mission, okay? So walking down here, it's a bit dark in here, by the way, so you can see the vault. Right? This can be a storage for the shop upstairs if they ever wanted it, okay? Moving the other side, which we happily got a light. So we've got two sections here. We have this section here. Obviously, this section also could be used as storage, whatever the person wants to use it for, okay? You can see that here. Moving on the next side, that got another vault, is another storage space. You can see here, massive storage space, isn't it? Absolutely gigantic. You can see how amazing this is here. So again, for anyone who take the shops, they could either use here as a storage unit, or they can use it to whatever they want to use it for. Basically lend itself to do whatever you want to use it for. And we've got all these lights, sprinklers, all that is working at the moment. And then obviously we're now going to go upstairs. So once we've gone upstairs, I'm going to show you the accommodation part of the building. Okay, going this way, and then this part here, just before we go, what we intend to do, remember the wall I told you about? We're going to knock this wall down, not all of it, a size for a door that then leads them to this side of the building to take them through the stairs. So we have a little corridor coming upstairs. This then leads them to the stairs, to the accommodation here. We have heating space here, and then obviously this then takes us up here. And up here is where their offices were. Trading floor was downstairs, and this was their office. So what do we intend to do here? We intend to bring another wall here. Okay, wall is gonna go this way, and that wall then will divide this part of the building to the other part of the building. So what we're gonna do here? We're gonna open this up, okay? We're gonna smash all these down, stud walls, open this up nicely, okay? So that can be part of this place here, right? We open this all, we take all these down, okay? Take all these down because they're all stud walls, and then we try to squeeze in here and include in here, which you already have, as one flat. We could either have one bedroom flat here or one bedroom with a single room, say 2 bedroom flats, because I think we may be able to squeeze a little room in here in a way that it works in a win-win situation, because we have this circulation here. So you may be thinking then, what's gonna happen? So what's gonna happen here is that we're gonna create a wall here. Remember the stairs? So we're gonna create from the stairs at the back a door to lead you into this flat, and then this flat then become a self-contained flat that you don't really need to worry about sharing access. Is that making sense? So going this way, suppose then now we've got that flat as 1 bedroom flat, perhaps 2 bedroom flat. Okay, on this side of the building, this is where we currently have the uranium. Okay, you go in this part of the building, okay, you've got this little lobby here, okay, that we can make use of, this lobby here. Walking into the lobby, you've got the uranium, right, which is the toilet. So you can see here, all these here is a dead space. You can see all this here, this is where the boiler is for the central heating. You can see that here. So what we're gonna knock all this down. We knock all this down. Once we've knocked all this down, we're going to do it as a studio. You might be thinking it's too small. You're absolutely right. But what we're going to be doing, we're going to knock that wall, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, so walking back then, so you can see then this space you could use, and then what we do, all these are not supporting walls. They're all literally stud walls. So what we're going to do then, we're going to open this up here. We have another circulation here. Is that making sense? And now there's another room here, okay? And this also is a toilet, okay? Is a toilet in here. Again, we're gonna smash all this now, combine this to the other side of the building, right? So we were able to squeeze a studio in here. And then the other part of the building is what I'm gonna explain to you what we're going to do. So what we're gonna do then here, now we've got that wall there, all this part here, moving on, all this part here, everything here, here, all this is stored. This can go down, okay? All the way here. This then become an other flat, right? Here, we're looking to squeeze in 2 double rooms in here. We want it to be a 2 double room flat. So 2 rooms, 1 bed in 1 flat, having a kitchen diner, kitchen plan, and it was gonna look amazing. It's gonna be looking absolutely amazing. And this here was the lift. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get rid of this. So we have this little space here. Okay, we can get rid of this all the way here, take that out, have this squared out nicely. So this then become a room or a bedroom or maybe the kitchen diner, whatever that may be. And then the remaining place of the property then becomes another room and the kitchen dining area, okay? So in this floor itself, we're hoping to get 3 flats, two bedrooms and 1 studio. That's the plan. The worst case scenario is 1 bed and a studio. That's what would be the worst case scenario. Fingers crossed. Let's go upstairs. Now, moving on, right? If you remember what I said, that's where we're gonna have that door to get to that flat. So we're gonna go upstairs. Upstairs then is beautiful. The stairs are solid, they're all concrete stairs. It looks beautiful and it looks really, really lovely. And yeah, so this then obviously got its own entrance. You don't need to worry about entrance. And then we've got a little room here. This lends itself to become a bathroom, right? We're gonna have a nice, amazing bathroom in here. And then obviously you've got what I'm gonna call a studio flat, okay? This is gonna be a nice studio. We've got the kitchen already. You can see how massive the kitchen is. And looking this way, look, see? Big, isn't it? Massive, massive. It's one of the biggest studios I've ever seen, okay? Really good, we're gonna be doing that nicely. It looks like we've got tiles here, okay? We can see if we can maintain the same level of doing the things. And then we're gonna upgrade the skirting boards, the central heating obviously, and we've got the fire escape as well. That fire escape we're gonna keep because obviously it's mandatory to have that fire escape there, and basically it's gonna look absolutely amazing. So what we're looking to achieve in this property is to have the commercial unit change into 2 shops. That's 2 multiple stream of income. The first floor, we're gonna have 3 flats. That gives you 3 income stream, and then obviously where I am now, another flat that then gives you 4 income stream. So it's an absolute way, amazing way to make your money work a lot harder for you. But not just that, it allows you to make multiple stream of income in one property, and it also allows you to force the value of that property. Obviously it requires lots of work in here. Super excited, and I'm ready to smash it. I can't wait to share the progress and the finish of this property. Keep an eye on my channel because I'll be sharing this as a journey so you can all learn and understand how you can make money through property investment. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing next video. Thank you.